7.
So seventh property is inverse Laplace transform of derivative. So where did you see derivative of f of s in Laplace transforms?
Multiplication of
Multiplication by t property,
Yes.
right?
T property.
T.
So we know Laplace of Laplace of t into f of t is minus f dash of s, right? Minus f dash of s.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the generalization? Laplace of
Laplace of t
e
power
power
n
n into f of t is
of t is equal to
minus 1 whole power n into
d power n by ds power n.
d power n by ds power n is nothing but nth derivative of f at s with respect to s. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now if I multiply L inverse on both sides, what do I get? T power n into f of t is equals to minus 1 whole
L
power n is a
inverse.
minus 1 whole power n is a constant. L inverse of nth derivative of s, right? So if I want only L inverse of f power n of s, multiply both sides with minus 1 whole power n. So minus 1 whole power n into minus 1 whole power n is minus 1 whole power 2n. Minus 1 whole power 2n is what?
1.
1. Is it okay? Therefore, what is L inverse of nth derivative of a function? Minus 1 whole power n into t power n into f of t. Okay. What is f of t? F of t is nothing but L inverse of f of s. L inverse of f of s. So what is the theorem says? Okay. What is the theorem says?
If L
If L inverse of
f of s,
L inverse of f of s is equals to f of t, then first I will write the result for first derivative. L inverse of f dash of s. What is L inverse of f dash of s? See here,
minus
put n equal to 1. Put n equal to 1 minus t f
t
of
power
t.
n.
N equal to 1, no?
Hmm.
N equal to
Yeah,
1 minus
yes.
t f of t. So in general, what will be the result? Whatever I wrote here. Okay. So L inverse of nth derivative of s is equals to minus 1 whole power n t power n f of t. Is that okay? So what is this property called? Inverse Laplace transform of derivative, right? Inverse Laplace transform of derivative. Now we'll see a problem. Let us say we want to find out L inverse of log of s plus a by s plus p. Now please listen carefully. Now so far all our functions f of s are algebraic functions which are in the form p of s by q of s. Okay, where both p of s and q of s are polynomial functions, right? So every time f of s you have seen it as a rational function where numerator and denominator is polynomial. Okay, now for the first time we are asked to find out inverse transform of a transcendental function. Logarithmic is a transcendental function. Previously we have seen algebraic functions where numerator and denominator are polynomials, right? Now it is not in the standard form. Okay, it is not in the list of standard inverse Laplace transforms. Okay, so then how do we do this problem? Okay, so for the time being call it as L inverse of f of s. What is f of s? Log of s plus a by s plus b. Okay, now what is L inverse of f of s? F of t. L inverse of f of s is f of t.
F of
Can you see that? Now my aim is to find out f of t. My aim is to find out f of t. Okay.
F of
So
t.
how do we find out? So assume that f of s is equals to log of s plus a by s plus b.
plus B.
I don't know inverse transform of logarithmic function, but log I can rewrite this as log of s plus a minus log of s plus b.
S plus T.
Now can you tell me the next step? What could be the next step? I don't know inverse transform of log of s plus a, but I know the inverse transform of
1 by S plus
1 by s plus a. I also know the inverse transform of 1 by s plus b. Am I right? So how can I get 1 by s plus a from log of s plus a?
my
Derivative.
By finding the derivative. If I
Derivative.
differentiate, just differentiate 1 by log of s plus a's derivative is 1 by s plus a minus
minus 1 by S
1 by
plus
s plus b. I know inverse transform of these two functions, right? Now apply L inverse on both sides. L inverse of f dash of s is equals to, by applying linearity property, this is L inverse of 1 by s plus a minus L inverse of 1 by
S plus B.
s plus b. But what is L inverse of f dash of s? Look at here. L inverse of f dash of s is minus t into f of t. Do you agree?
Yes.
Now what is L inverse of 1 by s plus a? E power minus at. And L inverse of 1 by s plus b is e power minus bt.
BT.
Now what I want? I want only f of t.
F of t.
So what is f of t? Minus 1 by t into e power minus at minus e power minus bt. So okay, therefore the answer is f of t is equal to 1 by t into e power minus bt minus e power minus at. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So whenever you have a transcendental function, okay, other than a rational function, okay, you may have to apply this inverse Laplace transform of derivative. That's a thumb rule, okay. So you may not be able to find out this f of t directly, but indirectly you can find out f of t by initially applying the derivative of f of s on both sides. Is that clear? Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
So we'll see some more problems. Problem number 2. Okay, suppose if it is L inverse of log of 1 minus a square by s square. 1 minus a square by s square. How do we do this? We'll consider it as L inverse of f of s, which is naturally equal to f of t, where f of s is equal to log of 1 minus a square by s square. Now tell me how to do this, how to rewrite this.
S square minus
S square minus a square by s square. Later I can write it as log of s square minus a square minus log of s square. So this is log of s square minus a square minus 2 log s. What is this? This is nothing but f of s. Now what I want? F dash of s. What is f dash of s? Derivative of and log of s square minus a square is
1 by
1 by 2
by
s square
square
minus a square. S square minus a square derivative is 2s
2s
minus 2 by s.
2 by s.
Is that okay? So apply L inverse on both sides. L inverse of f dash of s is 2 is constant outside. Using linearity, L inverse of s by square minus a square minus 2 times L inverse of 1 by S.
By S.
What is but what is L inverse of f dash of S? Minus t
minus t
F
f of t.
F of t.
2 times L inverse of S by square plus A square is
plus h
cos
cos hat.
cos hat minus 2 into 1. L inverse of 1 by S is 1. Is it okay? Therefore, what is f of t? F of t would be 2 by t into 1 minus cos hat.
Cos H A T.
Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
So that is inverse transform. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll just see one more problem and move to the last property.
మోసగత్తే రూపా ఫ్యాన్ ఉంది కావస్తుంది
Please unmute yourself.
mute yourself
Mute. You please mute. So just see one more problem. If it is somebody is writing L inverse of tan inverse 2 by S square. L inverse of tan inverse 2 by S square. Okay. So again, it is looking very complicated problem, right? Because tan inverse 2 by S square, which is a transcendental function, but naturally you assume it as f of s. L inverse of f of s has to be f of t. So f of s is equal to what?
Tan inverse 2 by
Tan
S
inverse
square.
of 2 by s square. Now apply derivative. What is f dash of s?
1 by 1 plus
1 by 1 plus
2 by
2
S square.
4 by
by
s by
S.
4
2 by s square. 2 by s square whole
whole
square
Whole square.
into derivative of 2 by s square is I have to find
minus
out
4 s power minus 3
minus 4 by s power 3. Yes. Can I write like this? Minus 4 by s cube.
yes sir
So what is the simplification? So this is s power s square whole square is s power 4, that will go to numerator. So minus 4 s power 4 by s square plus 4 into minus s cube. Do you agree?
Sir,
yes sir
Any mistake?
S power 4,
no
sir.
sir.
S power 4 plus
S power 4.
S power 4?
4 plus 4.
plus 4 plus 4, sir.
S power 4 plus
Denominator.
this is s power 4 plus 4, correct. So denominator, this has to be s power 4 plus 4. I agree. S power 4 plus 4.
minus 4s by s power 4 plus 4
So f dash of s is going to be minus 4s by s power
s power 4
s power 4 plus 4. Is that okay?
yes sir
Now I think earlier classes we did inverse transform of this one. What is that? S by s power 4 plus 4a power 4. You remember? So
yes sir
before your notes, okay. So I'm going to write down this function in the next page. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
so I'm going to copy this. What is that? F of s, f dash of s. So f dash of s is equals to minus 4 into minus 4s, right?
Yes.
yes sir
Minus 4 into s by s power 4
S power 4 plus 4.
plus
Plus 4.
4, 4.
yes sir
Okay. Now
Yes,
we
sir.
want to apply L inverse on both sides. So L inverse of f dash of s is equals to minus 4 into L inverse of S by S power 4 plus 4.
4.
Is it okay? And L inverse of f dash of S is minus t into
F of t.
f of t equal
F
to
of
minus
t.
4 into whatever it is. Okay. Now, do you so this in the exams, how do you do this problem? Suppose if this problem is given, okay, you have to evaluate this inverse transform separately and then substitute here. But fortunately, we are having inverse transform of this earlier problems. We did this. Can you recall that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I'm writing right side. Recall L inverse of S by S power 4 plus 4a power 4 is equals to
1 by 2a.
1 by 2a square
Sin 80,
sin
sin H80.
sin 80 sin H80 sin 80 sin
Yes.
H80. Okay. So in our problem, a
Yes.
equal to 1. Can you see that? In our problem,
Yes,
a
sir.
equal to 1. So I can simply substitute this 1 by 2 sin t sin ht. Is that okay? So what I require? I require only f of t. So minus minus gets cancelled. 4 by 2 is 2. So answer is going to be 2 by t
By t.
sin t
Sin HT.
sin ht.
HT.
Sin ht. Is this clear to all of you? So it requires evaluation of this inverse transform S by S power 4 plus 4a power 4 separately. That requires some amount of partial fraction skill. Now some good knowledge of application of inverse Laplace, which is derivative property, inverse transform of derivative. Is that okay? So whenever you see a transcendental function, you apply this inverse transform of derivative. Okay. Now we'll move to